Leave your laundry spotless with this eye-catching black washing machine from Electra, which has clever technology to take special care of your clothes. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 7-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. This model has fuzzy logic technology, which uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means it can adjust the amount of water, time, and energy needed for the best possible results. Now you'll save money on your energy bills without having to lift a finger. If anyone in your household suffers with allergies or sensitive skin, the Allergy Rinse cycle will help with the simple press of a button. It removes 99.9% of allergens, including dust mites and pollen, by adding extra rinses to the end of your chosen program. So, it's perfect for washing things like bedding. If you're looking for a washing machine with clever technology to take special care of your clothes, this eye-catching black model from Electra is the one for you.